We're going to be assembling a 28mm scale siege mantel. First we're going to punch out anything that has hung on to that were cut by the laser. Everything's cut through all the way, just sometimes it gets stuck. So we'll start on the wheels here using some Loctite professional super glue. We'll line them up. You can line up the board lines if you want, but you can't see them both from the same side. Next we're going to put the axle section through the front defense wall. Keep an eye on what parts of the kit actually touch each other as you glue it together. Next we're going to put the front brace on. Notice that there's wood grain on the portions of the kit that face out. Next we have the top brace for across the front here. Just try to line it up, make sure it covers both of the notches for the side handles, for the supports. Go ahead and grab one of those. Slide it on the end here, and then just clean up any glue. Go ahead and do the same with the other side. Alright, now we have a upper brace for the back, and it has a couple of notches in either end of it that rest on the side support arms. And now you need to decide whether you want your wheels to roll or not. If you don't, you could put some glue on the side brace. If you'd like to try to get them to roll, so you go ahead and put some glue on the end of the axle and then slide the hub on is usually the easiest way, and turn it slightly. Go ahead and do the same with the other side, and then just give it a little roll, and there you have it. Our siege mantels come in 3 different sizes. You can find them on our site.